as you can see here, we've got this tumble dryer. It has been sitting here for quite a while, maybe about 25 years or something like that. The make is diagnosing. I think it's got a problem. When I asked, they say it doesn't heat up under, or maybe it doesn't spin as well. So that's why I'm going to unscrew the back of it and see what's what. So I'm going to see if I can fix it and share this, and it will be a bonus sharing it with you. So stay tuned and let's discover this issue together. The first thing I need to do is unplug it from the main, from here, like that. And the second step, I need to unscrew all the screws here, and I need to remove this cover here, because this is where the motor is, and here I think this is where the thermostat is, in this area here. So I need to remove everything so I can see what's inside. Last screw. Next one. To removing this cover here, as you can see. Just that it's been sitting for a long time, not working, not doing anything. So put this on the side, and this valve. This is not the main valve. This is just the belt, this hole. So as you can see, this is, so let's continue and let's carry on removing everything, and so we can see what's inside. Have a good cleaner. So this is the belt. Let's remove the belt. Yeah, from the first look, you know, we can see that it's got, the belt is not good. So we revealed one issue. So let's remove this. Okay then, so everything is clear now. So in this machine, you know, the main thing you've got is the motor, which is this one, and the program system here, and the heating system, which is this one, this resistors. That's the main thing you've got in the tumble drive. It's not like, unlike the washing machine, it's too complicated. But this one, it's really easy. It's that easy to fix or to detect the problem. Why it's not like, if it's not spinning or if it's not heating up, and or if it's from the program. It's that easy, you know, because it hasn't got any that much components. So let's try one. First thing, we're gonna try the motor. First thing, we tried the belt, you know. We had a look at the belt. It looks like too old, and maybe it's gonna snap if we use it again. It's not good. It definitely needs changing. Let's try the motor now. To test the motor and test the program, test. We're going to test the heating system as well, the resistors. So the first thing I need to do is testing the motor, the coil. So the coil is perfect, it's okay. So the motor, I think the motor is alright. I mean the coil is fine. Let's put this back. Second thing, test the condenser. Condenser looks alright. Looks a bit rusty. The condenser terminals look a little bit rusty. So they might need some E40, some anti-rust stuff, or just like sanding them. I think they should be fine. So the second thing now I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the tumble dry and try to see if the motor works fine or not. So as you can see, the motor is perfect, it's working fine, it's spinning. So we're sure now that the motor is okay, is alright. So the second thing now I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna test the heating system, the resistors. So as you can see, this is the resistor, and it's got the terminals here, 1, 2, 3. So I need to test it and see if it's why it's not working. So as you can see, the resistors are okay. So the second thing, I need to check the heating sensors. Yeah, so but before that, first thing I'm going to show you how when I plug this heating system to see when the tumble when the tumble dry, works. It doesn't heat, when it spins it doesn't heat. So I'm going to show you that. So as you can see, the motor is working. I am going to test this. I've got here 2 sensors, one, the first one, the second one. So I'm going to test them, the continuity, to see if they're okay or not. So I'm going to remove, I need to remove those cables. It's a simple one, and start with this one. That seems alright. Try this one. So they both seem okay. So they both seem okay. So let's put them back. So it could be like a continuity between terminals. That's why I need to clean a little bit. There's terminals left here, or shake the cables. So let's try them now. Let's try this circuit. So the grey and the white. Yeah, seems fine. Plug it back and see if the heating system works. Yeah, I think the heating is coming. Yes, definitely it was like bad connections between wires. So the sensors are working, and the motor is working as well. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see the heat. Yeah, you can see it's working. Motor. So the problem now, we have a clue now what was the problem. It's the bad connections to the thermostat and the belt. So now I need to put everything back. So I'm going to put this belt back, you know, till I get a new one. But I'm not going to change it now because I haven't got one. I need to order one. But I'm going to show you how, if I fix it, how it looks like after fixing it. So as you can see, guys, I had to remove that cover again, this cover, because I forgot. I need to show you this working, this thermostat and the heating sensors. So as you can see, guys, our tumble dry, I turned it on and the motor is working, but there's no spinning. So the belt, see, is getting bigger, so I need to change it, like as I said. So as you can see here, if I put my screwdriver, something like that, like this, now it's working. So what I need to change is the belt. I'm going to stop now. If I tight it like this, the heating system is working as well. So guys, I hope you had a good idea about tumble dry, and how it works and how we can detect the problem, because it's not that difficult, you know. It's not that hard like a washing machine and diagnose. Only the motor, it's got only a motor and that spring thing, you know, and the program, that's it, the belt and the heating system. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video for today, and please, if you don't mind, you know, press like, share and subscribe, and I see you in my new video, which will be always something beneficial, you know, for everybody, and anything new or anything in technology in wise, and or gardening or irrigation things, and anything like that, anything like beneficial for human, I'll share it with you. I'll make sure to share it with you, and because I love to share knowledge, as I said in my channel's description. So thank you very much for now, and see you soon. Take care.